everyone, today I will show you how to quickly generate an overview video from a PDF using NotebookLM. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your NotebookLM account. For a basic guide on make the account and using it, you can check the link in the description. Next, after you log in into your account, just upload your PDF or other source file. And once uploaded, your screen should like this. And on the right side of the screen you will see the video overview, this one. Just click on the three dots icon and then customize, and then just customize what the AI should focus on, and once you're done just click generate, and then your video will appear in the panel below the video overview like this. Since I have already made one before, here's an example. I will play it.
All right, let's dive right in. We're going to talk about a technology that honestly sounds like it's straight out of science fiction, but believe it or not, it's already shaping our food, our medicine, our entire future. Idea. It's called totipotency. You see, unlike most animal cells, pretty much it's the key that turns that genetic blueprint into an actual living, growing plant. Okay, so
Like that, it looks like a clean PowerPoint style slideshow with only key points on each slide and a clear, well-paced narrations. And okay, that's it. Quick, simple, and surprisingly effective. Just give it a try to make your overview video from your PDF. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.